Is digital PR all about the story?
I think to an extent, yeah. I think the reason I always try and think of like the emotional gaps in campaigns is because it planning a campaign from the idea and going through all the processes to the point where you're pushing it out to journalists, you can kind of lose sight of why you had that idea in the first place. And ultimately, you want to get the link from the journalist, and you kind of think as soon as that story's been published and you've got the link, like, oh, great. But the reason that that journalist is publishing it is because they know that readers have an appetite for it. So if you think there and think about what readers want, what people want to be consuming, what people want to be talking about, and work backwards, I think that's a better way to do it because it's more inclined to you've sort of got your answer if you know what people want to read about, and then you can sort of develop a story that fits to that.